get hiccups.
Ah, time to meet the hero and sometimes the troublemaker inside our body. It's called the diaphragm.
What?
It's a muscle right under your lungs. It helps you breathe in and out all day, every day. But when you eat too fast or drink too quickly, your diaphragm gets annoyed and goes boing. It pulls down fast. That sudden pull sucks in the air super quick, and when the air hits your voice box, so that's where it comes from.